This is our cold rolling steel rebar machine. The rebar diameter can be 5 mm to 12 mm. The rebar length can be maximum 12 meter. The working speed can be maximum 120 meter per minute. So let's see the machine parts. This is a wire pair of rack. It can bear 210 material. Next is the wire guide bracket. This part is the mechanical sheller, used to clean the steel rust on the wire material surface. Each sheller has 5 rollers. When you use drawing process, you can use the lower one. When don't use the drawing process, you can use the taller one. This is the lubrication box together with the taller mechanical sheller. You can put the drawing powder inside, used to lubricate the wires. This is the main rolling cassette. It consists of 3 plain rolling wheels and 3 pieces ribbed wheels. This is the drawing process. You can put the drawing die here, used to reduce the diameter of wire material. The drawing drum. The material on the surface, the material is 42 CRMO foam. On this machine, you can put maximum 3 drawing die. The main drawing gearbox is 750 model. The main drawing motor is 90 kW. This is the rebar straightening and cutting machine. It's guide rollers, traction rollers, straightening rollers. Upper is 8 straightening rollers, lower is 9 straightening rollers. Here, traction rollers is meter counter, used to calculate the cutting length. This is the cutting part. It is the flying cutting, controlled by saw motor. So the final is the wire folding bracket. The maximum cutting length is 12 meter. In this video, it's a 6 meter cutting length test. After wire folding, there will be a air cylinder to push the wire to make the wire more regular. This is the control panel. We adopt a world famous brand electric parts. Here is the Siemens brand touch screen. This is the Siemens brand PLC. Snyder relay, conductor, switch, small air switch. Meanwhile brand power supply. Snyder main big switch. Yuri servo driver. Merchase inverter. They are good Chinese brand.